Addition or subtraction of algebraic expression. Welcome to Home of Math. Today we are starting part 10. Let's start. Please note that we are starting number S, and previous video we did lots of math. Here is three part. One part are simplify, second part simplify but multiplication and division, and third part we are doing addition or subtraction of algebraic fraction. So we are starting number 10. Hope this video will help you. Number is x square minus 3x plus 9 divide x cube plus 27 plus x minus 2 divide x square plus 4x plus 3 minus 1 divide x minus 2. So we will simplify. So these algebraic expression in numerator x square minus 3x plus 9, we will not factorize this one because 9 we can factorize 9 times 1 or 3 times 3, but look, 3 and 3 will not make minus 3x, so we just keep this one, x square minus 3x plus 9 divide x cube plus 27. Look, x cube plus 27 we can write 3 cube, so it's looking a cube plus b cube. We know a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. This is the factorization of cubic formula. So x cube plus 27 we can write x plus 3, then x square minus ab means x times 3 plus b square means 3 square, right? Next, x minus 2, this one x square plus 4x plus 3, this one we can write x square plus 3x plus x plus 3, right? So 3x plus x means 4x and 3 times 1 means 3, okay, minus 1 divide x minus 2. So here is x square minus 3x plus 9, and here is x plus 3, then x square minus 3x plus 9, right? And here is plus x minus 2 x square. Here we can take common x, so x plus 3 plus 1 common, again x plus 3, okay, and here is minus 1 divide x minus 2. Now we can little simplify here, x square minus 3x plus 9, this one, and x square minus 3x plus 9 we can out. So 1 divided x plus 3 plus here is x minus 2, and we can write x plus 3 and then x plus 1 minus 1 divided x minus 2, okay. So now we can simplify this one like LCM. Here is x plus 3, x plus 3, we can write x plus 3, and x plus 1 we can write x plus 1, and finally this one is x minus 2, x minus 2. So once we divide this LCM by x plus 3, we can write here x plus 1 and x minus 2, and here is x minus 2 out, here is x minus 2 and numerator x plus 3 and x plus 1, so we can write x minus 2 whole square, right, minus, and here is x minus 2 out, so we can write here x plus 3 and then x plus 1. Now here is x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 2, okay. So here x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 plus x square minus 4x plus 4, right, minus this one is, we can write x square then plus x square plus x plus 3x plus 3, okay. Then we can write here x plus 3, x plus 1, then x minus 2, and numerator here is x square and here is x square, so we can write 2x square minus 2x minus 4x and plus x, right. So we can write minus 4x minus 2x, it means minus 6x plus x, so we can write minus 5x, and here is minus 2 and here is plus 4, so we can write plus 2, and here the sign will be changed, so minus x square, here is 3x plus x means 4x, so 4x, so we can write minus 4x, and finally here is minus 3. So now x plus 3, x plus 1, x minus 2, and here 2x square minus x square, so x square, right. Then minus 4x minus 5x, so minus 9x, plus 2 minus 3, so it will be minus 1, and this is our answer. It's looking little bit bigger size but not so hard. Just step by step, once you complete, your answer will be right. So number is done, and we are in part 10, and this is the last part of this series. It means algebraic expression, or we can say algebraic fraction. So number is done, we can start number T. Number T, look, here is one spelling mistake or printing mistake. So here is 1 divided a square minus 4ab plus 4b square plus a square plus 2ab plus 4b square divided a cube minus 8b cube minus 1 divided a square minus 4b square. So this one 1 divided a square minus 4ab plus 4b square, we can write like a minus 2b whole square. Why? Look, a minus 2b whole square, it means a square minus 2 times a times b plus 2b whole square. It means a square minus 4ab plus 4b square. So it's looking like this. So we can write, instead of a square minus 4ab plus 4b square, a minus 2b whole square plus here is a square plus 2ab plus 4b square, right, and here is a cube minus 8b cube. This one we can write a minus 2b times a square plus 2ab plus 4b square. How? Look, a cube minus 8b cube, this one we can write a cube, and 8 means 2, b means b, and then cube. So 2 cube means 8, b cube means b cube. So as per factorization law of a cube minus b cube, we can write a minus 2b, then a square plus ab, a means a, b means 2b, plus b square means 2b square. So here is a minus 2b, then a square plus 2ab plus 4b square, right. So this a cube minus 8b cube, we can write a minus 2b times a square plus 2ab plus 4b square, and then minus 1 divided a square minus 4b square, again a square minus 4b square we can write here is a square, 4b square means 2b square, so it will be a plus 2b and then a minus 2b, right? It means a square minus b square theory. So this one we can write a plus 2b then a minus 2b, right? Now look, we can simplify this one, we can out this one. So here is a minus 2b then a minus 2b plus 1 divided a minus 2b then minus 1 divided a plus 2b times a minus 2b. Okay, now we will make LCM. So LCM is, here is a minus b, a minus 2b, a minus 2b, a minus 2b. We can take this one, a minus 2b. Again here is 1 a minus 2b, we can also keep this one, and finally a plus 2b. Okay, now here is a minus 2b, a minus 2b, so this one out, we can write a plus 2b plus here 1 a minus 2b out, so here is a minus 2b plus times a plus 2b minus similar a plus 2b, a minus 2b out, so here is a minus 2b. Very simple. Now look, this one we can write a minus 2b whole square and here is a plus 2b and here is a plus 2b then plus a square minus 4b square minus a plus 2b, right? So what will be the answer? Answer is a minus a out, then we will keep a square then plus 4b then minus 4b square, so a minus 2b whole square a plus 2b, and this is our answer. Thank you very much being with me, long time you are with me. Part 10 done, and this is our last part of this chapter. So look, we need to review something. Here is first part, it means first simplification, where we are doing just simplify, lowest form. One done, which one is part 1 and part 2. Then we will simplify in product or division, where is part 3 to part 6, and this part, it means part 3, where we are divided also 4 episode, part 7, part 8, part 9 and part 10, right? Lots of math you are getting from this 10 episode. Okay, so here is S2 what? T. It means we did 2 maths. So look, we are doing lots of math, more than we can calculate, like in first 2 part 23 math, and 3 to 6, it means 12 and 6 18, right? And then 10, here is 20. So total in 10 episode we did 38, 41, 61 math we did in 10 episode. So hope this is a big practice for you, and once you complete this one alone at home, your exam preparation will be tremendous. If you think this video are okay for you and helping you, please subscribe my channel. This is Home of Math, and share with your friends. Thank you.